There is coronavirus.
Hey, get back.
Get back.
Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back away from him. Back up. Back up.
He's following me.
Back up.
He's following me, not me.
It's not. It's their property. It's their property. They can follow you wherever they want to. They can follow you wherever they want. It's their property. What's going on?
They're threatening team members, threatening to fight them.
So they gotta leave?
They lunged at team members. I've already verbally trespassed them, and they're refusing to leave.
All right, listen. You guys are already. Listen. Hello. You guys were told you have to leave, so you have to leave Universal Property. It doesn't matter.
We didn't do anything.
Listen to me. Listen to me. It's not your property. It's Universal's property.
Yeah.
They want you to leave. Listen. Are you going to listen to me? You have to leave now, or you will be under arrest. So leave the property.
Arrest.
Trespass after warning. Trespass after warning. If you don't leave, you have to listen. It doesn't matter. You have to leave. If you don't leave, you are going to jail.
Why? Why am I going to jail?
If you don't start walking, you're going to go to jail.
Why?
You have to leave.
For what? Go to jail for what?
Listen, I'm not playing this game. I'm telling you right now, if you don't leave, you're going to go to jail. They want you to leave their property. You're no longer welcome on Universal Property. There is no reason why we're not going to play that game. They don't want to. They don't want to talk to you. So you guys have to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't talk like that.
If you don't go, you're going to go in handcuffs.
Okay, but don't talk like that.
Let's go.
Look.
Okay, we paid for tickets and we just came in.
I already gave you guys the option for a refund. At that point, you ruined it. You need to leave.
Okay,
All right,
no, we
so let's
want
go.
our money back.
Let's go.
We just paid it.
Okay.
I'll give you a phone number, but we're not stopping by guest services. At this point, you guys need to leave the property immediately.
I'm leaving. I just want my money.
Well, he's going to give you a phone number, and you're going to have to do it that way. You have to leave now.
Okay, give him the phone number.
He will.
As we walk,
Let's
you guys
go.
need to start walking towards the
I'm not walking.
Don't be close like that.
Listen, they can follow you. Just walk. Just walk. Walk. You don't leave, you're going to jail. You understand that? If you don't leave,
Anybody in jail?
if you don't leave, you're gonna go to jail.
Put anybody in jail?
Trespass after warning.
Right now it's going to be a verbal 59. Go ahead.
You have to keep walking.
No, I'm resting.
You're gonna go to jail if you don't keep walking.
What are you talking about? Why are you putting me in
I'm
jail?
telling you again,
What are you
you've been
talking about?
listen to me. You've been trespassed. They want you to leave.
Okay.
If you do not leave, you go to jail. So go or you go to jail.
Oh, you put anybody
So
in
leave.
jail?
We're gonna put you in jail if you don't leave.
What's
So
the-
walk. Let's walk.
What's the-
Let's walk. Walk.
Talk in
Walk.
a better way, okay? The police is coming.
I am the police. You're gonna go to jail when the other cop comes here then, if you do not leave.
You're not old, that's the police. man.
Look, I'm telling you guys,
Only one.
this isn't a joke. If you guys do not leave property, this is not your property. This is private
It's not
property.
your property.
I already told you.
It's not.
I'm in
It's not
charge
yours.
of who
It's
comes
not
here and who
yours.
does not. If you do not leave, you will go to jail. So you guys understand that.
Start walking.
You guys need to walk.
Okay, we need
Why are you
to.
so nervous?
I'm not nervous. I'm telling you to walk before you go to jail. I'm trying to keep you two out of jail, but you're not understanding this. So you either go and start walking or you're going to go to jail. How many times do I have to tell you this?
Anybody in jail? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Come on,
So keep going, guys.
Okay, so don't follow us, okay?
You guys need to
Okay,
leave.
just keep a
You guys-
distance, okay?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Walk.
You'll have your distance, but you need to keep
I
walking.
don't want to get.
Guys, let's go. We're not going to keep doing this. Guys, you have to leave now. If you don't leave, you're going to go to jail. Yes. I'm trying to keep you out of jail, and you're going to go to jail.
Don't get taken
You're going to go to jail. Go. Walk. Walk.
because we didn't do anything.
Walk.
As he said, you guys need to leave.
All
right. Stopping and waiting is not leaving.
Do you want to go to jail? Do you really want to go to jail?
I'm literally giving you.
Let's go.
You're not welcome.
Start walking.
106, going over to dockside.
Are you going to continue walking?
Walk. You want to go to jail, really?
Training 10.
I'm trying to wait till they get there in case after 10:15.
151 copy. As well, Walker.
Let's go. You're not off their property.
Five copies as well, 51.
No, you didn't. This is still their property. You have to leave everything.
Can you say exactly where are they now? Because are they in a courtyard or? Kevin, we're in the Blue Man courtyard. We just came out of the side gate.
No.
You're under arrest.
No.
You are under arrest.
Okay, you left.
You are under
No, we
arrest.
left. Don't talk. No, don't.
Stop resisting.
Okay, please. My eye. I can't see.
I know that.
Okay,
It sucks. Trust me, I know. Keep going this way. We gotta get you some medical help.
I'm sorry, man. Please don't. I'm gonna get my car. It's right over there.
Do you have any knives on you or anything like that? No? You? Anything illegal that could hurt us? Any knives, anything like that in your purse? No? Okay.
We didn't do anything.
Sorry, man. We're sorry. Hey, anybody pick up the
Don't say sorry. We didn't do anything. Anything? What the hell are you doing? You didn't do anything. I'm telling you, you didn't do anything.
Do you have identification on you? Ma'am, do you have identification on you?
What?
Do you have an ID?
Yeah, it's with my sister.
Okay.
I can't see anything.
What did he do to his eyes?
He'll be fine.
He'll be fine. You're not allowed to do that because we didn't do anything.
You just keep yelling. I don't understand. Calm down.
Right behind our guard.
You told us to leave. We left.
Okay, relax. Let me see if I could check these for you. And then the bags aren't helping either. Okay, relax. Yeah, see, I can get a
You're
finger.
not allowed to do that. We didn't
Do you want me to help
anything.
you? I'm trying to help. You just keep yelling.
We didn't do anything. What the hell are you doing?
Once again, at this time, on the 10100.
Shut up!
7,000 off the
You're going to jail. It's over.
I'm not going to jail.
Sit down. You are. It's over.
Let's see, stop. Stop. We're not going to jail. We didn't do anything.
Okay. You can say whatever you want.
That's pretty much all I need. I can't do like this. Please let us go.
You're not going, but this is health services if you want their assistance.
Okay, we are sorry. We left.
It's over. It's over. It's done.
What? We left. We didn't.
It's done.
We're still here. No, we left. Once you told us we left.
It's done.
Ma'am, do you have ID?
My sister. Can I call my sister?
No, do you have ID?
It's with my sister inside.
Okay, then. All right, your purse?
I don't have anything illegal.
I'm asking.
I came here to have fun only.
Were you pepper sprayed?
Yeah, it
Okay.
burns a lot.
I'm Sergeant Rivera. What I'm doing is investigating the whole interaction with the officer. Not anything with
Which officer?
the one that pepper sprayed you. Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, he sprayed it. He told us to leave the park and we left.
Okay.
And once we left, they did all that. He started spraying at us and my brother fell on the floor and put these things in his hand. And then he came to me and did the same thing. That's why we didn't do anything. He told us to leave the park and once he told us we left, I was just waiting for my sister.
Were you leaving the park or did you stop?
What?
Did you stop or were you
No,
leaving?
I stopped to wait for my sister because she's
Okay.
inside and I told him that.
Okay.
I told him that. And he told me you leave and I will give you your money back at the exit. Once we came to the exit, he did all of that. He didn't tell us anything of this.
Okay.
And we left and we didn't even do anything inside.
All right. I don't know what happened inside.
Nothing happened and he told us to leave. We left. I was just waiting for my sister. That's
Do you
why I
have
stopped.
any injuries?
Injuries?
Yeah. I mean, other than the spray, do you have any injuries? Like, was that the only thing they did? They sprayed you? Did they hit you? Anything like that?
Pushed me on the floor and
They
pushed
put
my
you on the
brother
ground?
on the floor.
Okay, do you have any injuries from
I
that?
think my body has, yeah, but I don't know where exactly. I don't know, yeah.
You don't know? Is there anything hurting right now?
Yeah, but my leg is hurting, my head is hurting. I have never been in this situation before.
Okay. So he sprayed you guys. What else happened?
Yeah. What?
What else happened after you guys sprayed?
And then he pushed my brother on the floor on his face.
Did they tell you you were under arrest?
Hitting him.
Did they tell you you were under arrest?
No.
You're under arrest.
No.
You're under arrest.
That happened suddenly. I didn't know why. Suddenly, once we were at the exit.
Okay.
I
Anything
didn't
else?
do anything. We didn't do anything. We just, there was a little argument with one of the securities inside, and all of this happened.
Okay.
He screamed
So-
at us, and that's what happened. We told him, don't talk to us like that. That's it. My arm hurts. He didn't leave it. I think it's broken.
They can check it for you to see if it's broken, if you think. But if you're able to move around, do you need medical attention?
Oh yeah, my face burns a lot.
So they haven't helped you medically?
No.
Okay. Well, they're going to get you medical attention. Anything you want to add on the... I'm not doing anything with Universal. I'm here mainly for the spray and the arrest part.
Yeah, the spray was too much. My brother can't see. He can't even open his eyes.
That's what the spray does.
No, till now he can't open it.
Yeah,
Till now.
it does that. It affects people differently.
Yeah, and he has hard problems.
Me, when I get it, I can't open my eyes for a couple hours.
Why does he do that?
Because he asked you to leave?
And we left.
All right, I will review the video and everything.
Exit, he did that.
Okay.
After both the male and female suspects are medically cleared, they are put in a squad car for their upcoming ride to jail.
All right. You have nothing illegal on you?
No, what illegal do I have?
I'm asking you.
No.
The reason, because I'm going to search you.
I'm coming to a park.
Okay. All right.
Oh my God.
Careful.
He's coming with me?
Yeah, or in a separate car or with you. I don't know which one yet. Put his seatbelt on. Excuse me.
Why is so like...
It's just how they are.
Oh my God. I can't sit.
Excuse me.
I can't
You gotta put your
sit.
back.
This man is so rude. He won't come, right? This one is so bad.
He's the one arresting you.
Yeah, he's so bad.
He's the one being arresting you.
Here, turn around. Go butt first. There you go.
The sergeant now gets a statement from a park security worker who was involved in the incident.
Ask me anything.
How you going?
Go ahead.
So what happened?
So I came in. They were involved in an altercation over at in the Simpsons area.
Okay.
They were walking. They kept stopping. When I got there, they stopped on the way out towards the exit. Then when we got to the exit, they turned away from the exit. They tried to come to where we're standing now, and this is a crossover between the two parks.
Okay.
So it does not exit the park.
Yep.
Again, he's told you have to leave. He's saying something, it's almost like in a different language. He's just like blowing us off and waving his hand back. At that time, Officer Polisi advises him, listen, we've given you a lot of attempts. You are now under arrest.
Was Officer Polisi by himself or another officer was there?
At that time, he was by himself.
Okay.
He was by himself, and the rest of us were all Universal security.
Okay.
At that point, he grabbed his left hand. He actively resisted
Okay.
and was pulling away and pushing to not be placed under arrest. I don't recall him actually taking any kind of punches or anything, but he was resisting being arrested. Officer Polisi told him again he was under arrest. He pulled out his chemical agent and sprayed him with the chemical agent. And from what it appeared to me, you could tell that the female that was with it was trying to come behind Officer Polisi. He also sprayed her at that time, which kind of pushed her back. He took the gentleman into the bushes, placed the handcuffs on him. Gentleman went down face first into the bushes. The female came running over as if she was going to go on to the cop Officer Polisi.
Yep.
I shoved her from being able to do so into the bushes.
Okay.
She remained sitting there. At that point, Officer Polisi got a handcuff on the male's right wrist. I held his elbow and wrist while he did that and was able to successfully get the left wrist cuffed at that point. I offered to stay there with him while Officer Polisi placed the other girl under arrest.
And then when did the other officers get there? Like later after they were both in handcuffs?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Both suspects were charged with trespassing after warning and resisting without violence. They are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.